Hey guys, welcome to this very important quick update. This is a little sad one because I am going to stop the live study with me sessions for a while. I would be dropping in rarely for an hour or two or maybe 4 5 hours, but the regular study with me videos are going to stop for a while. This is because my med school exams are really important and I'm preparing for UCMD Step 1 exam. My main goal is to become a doctor. This is something that I really enjoy with and interacting with you guys. That's why I've been doing this. But at the moment, med school exams and studies are the top priority. So for some time, the live study with me's are going off. I would drop in very rarely sometimes, but I would be there on Discord. I won't be able to reply to your comments on time because I'm going to just focus on studies. So yeah, that's the quick update. If you guys want to study along, you can join in our Discord group. The link is in the video description, and I would be there studying rarely, not very regularly, but you can occasionally see me there. However, the Discord group is on. YouTube would be back soon. So thanks all for watching this quick update, and I hope to see you guys sometime very soon.